What's happening, financial coaches? It's Peter here. Hope you're doing well. I want to answer a question that came in. What do I think about the financial educator certifications? And what I think you're talking about here are the certifications that are available that are labeled as financial educator, i.e., you are supposed to be someone who is trained and prepared to go out and present, do actual in person presentations, seminars, workshops, probably also online, some virtual things, being able to do that over Zoom or video. And financial educator certifications, to me, are usually a little bit of a waste of time. And it depends here. If you are looking at this versus, say, a financial certification like a counselor or coach certification, I would recommend doing the coach certification. Usually, what the financial educator certifications are is this training with a little bit of how to take that and do it in person. Some strategies on how to organize things. There's usually a little bit more on budgeting and some of the more basic topics. But if you are going to get the financial certification for counseling anyway, so that you can do your coaching, what you are probably going to get by doing that is the financial educator certification too. So in my case, one of the things that I did was I got a financial coach certification and then found out the organization also offered a financial educator certification. And when I did the test for that, I realized that about 80 or 85% of that test was what I had just taken. So I could have just actually taken one or the other. They were duplicative. If you have a coaching or counseling certification already, you probably don't need the presentation or educator or certification because they're just so similar. There really isn't a lot more that you're going to get out of that. And if you want to do presentations and learn how to do them effectively, create great information, create great workshops, create engaging content, I think there are other places that will give you better training, places like Toastmasters. So just understanding, hey, how to structure something, how to outline it, how to develop something, how to do a PowerPoint isn't really the issue. It's really being engaging, picking a topic that's relevant, something that's trending, something that's timely for people, something that really scratches an itch or solves a pain. So what I would suggest is just get the certifications generally for yourself and then go out and find places that will help you be a better public speaker, be a better educator, be a better presenter. Now, that being said, if you already have some sort of counselor or coaching certification, you might be able to just sign up for the educator certification and knock that out right away. If you want to put some more letters behind your name that shows, hey, I'm really trained on this, then great, so be it. What I don't think is people are going to care, and no one's going to care that you are a certified counselor and a certified financial educator. Either you're compelling, providing good information, or you're not. Most people just look at that on a piece of paper and it doesn't even sink in. But if you have no certifications and you were thinking about either or, they're probably pretty similar. And if you want to get the educator one, you can do that. But honestly, I think most people are looking for the more basic counselor or coaching certification. Just my opinion on it. So take it or leave it. But hopefully that helps you on your journey. I'll see you later.